They knew they weren't drones the entire time. They actually gaslit you. And with the third drop of the UFO files, what you see inside of those declassified documents is exactly that. They observed these orb-like objects. They saw the colors of them. They saw them changing shape. They took note of them, and then they listed them under the Office of the Security of War. So they knew about the drones, they knew about the UFOs, and they still decided to hide it from the public view. They talk about the orb color of being orange, yellow, or white in color. Again, these range in color. If you haven't already checked out my page, I have videos here on the Nordics, the Greys, the Insectoids, the Reptilians, the Palladians, and now the Plasmoids. Because there's more than one type of body, and that's basically what the US government is trying to feed you, to get used to these types of bodies that they have been working and interacting with and hiding from the human public for a very long time. I go into depth about the orb forms because they do take many different formations. Lightning form, like a liquid lightning. They also can appear in humanoid form. They can appear as an orb form. They could appear as luminous crafts as well, so they do shapeshift. And they do come in all different sorts of colors, and that's what you see in a lot of these UAP videos, is this gold or this white, silver, blue, red. And that's exactly what we're seeing with the release of the third batch of UFOs, is introducing the plasmoid form to the human population and seeing what they do with it and the information that they've been lied to. Don't believe me? Go check for yourself, because it is indeed there along with UAP footage. And it's also speculatory that they included Avi Loeb into their scientific community for UAP congressional hearings and research committees. But then they also have these astrophysicists, they have mathematicians that are there, and then they have one psychologist who is a female feminine energy that's included in that. But it's interesting that it's only military and science. What does that pattern again repeat? Atlantis, Lemurian times, whenever technology and consciousness merged, yeah, it involved again science and military personnel. Where's the spirituality? We have to connect the dots on that, and that's one little clue that we seem to be missing. Because you're so distracted by these beautiful events and the 250th birthday anniversary of America and Trump's birthday. Aren't you impressed? But don't look over there where the UFO files are being dropped, at least breadcrumbing you. It's going to take a while. Again, the experiencers, the whistleblowers, you have to find those people, including me, in order to get the next level of information. Because if you're waiting for the government to release it all, you're gonna be waiting a very long time, and you're gonna be super disappointed. Again, end of June, I told you, swift movement is coming into July. Something big is coming into July. End of June into the beginning of July. We've been talking about it for the whole entire year. Planetary alignments are lining up around that exact time, and it lines up with your heart space. So what type of narrative will they be spinning? If you have not already, head over to my page, make sure you send a follow, and then watch the latest video because it's shadow banned on the Plasmoids. Let me know what you think. If you have ever encountered an orb or a UFO, or have had some sort of paranormal phenomenon in your life, because you are not alone. These are the secrets that are coming out now, and you are a part of the mission. Keep your head on a swivel, because they are really trying to confuse the human public on what is going on. And honestly, I'm really tired of the gaslighting and the narcissistic abuse from the American government, period. Like, I'm over it. Aren't you?